Alright YouTube, well it is holy crap cold out and holy crap early. Yeah, I figured I would take you guys along. I gotta go work today, and yeah, we're taking the Pilot. This is my first trip using the Honda Pilot here as a welding rig. Everything, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, fits beautifully back there. I got my tri-stand, a couple of pipe stands, my Pelican cases and everything, and yeah, we're gonna hit the road here. I got some Against Me cranking on the radio here in the car. And I got my cameras today, so I'll try and take you guys along with me here. Alright YouTube, well, everybody's gone home for the day, so I'm just kind of packing up, and I got one weld left to do here. I gotta weld this flange on. I'm gonna let you see that, put the camera down here. So basically what we're doing is we are replacing all this copper shit. There's a fast acting valve on the boiler on the other side of this wall here that hammers on and off, and their solution was to put this pressure tank in here, which does dick, because basically you have a 4-inch water line coming in and you have a pressure tank that has an 1.5 inch inlet. Does a little bit to kind of buffer it, but not much. So basically we're getting some bigger buffer tanks that are going to attach right here, that are going to sit over here, and making this all out of stainless, because this copper is leaking in a couple places from it being hammered basically. And anyway, yeah, so not sanitary, but that's today's project. Tomorrow's and maybe Saturday if we are actually able to install this, because they actually have to shut this plant down to do this. 4-inch coming in here. We got to cut this off, put a flange on it, and then just around, over, straight back against the wall, and all this crap is going down. I'm working with another guy. I did all the fit up on this, and he got this one tacked up, and we're going to try and weld these guys out tomorrow. My little MaxStar, made some modifications to my bottle cart here so I can put the MaxStar on, but I've just been stealing his argon for the time being so I don't have to unload. I got the Pilot out here, which is awesome for this stuff, because basically all I need are a couple Pelican cases, a couple of jack stands, and my tri-stand. So anyway, I'm gonna put the camera down here and let you see what I'm up to. So, normally I do these in one pass, or excuse me, 2 passes, 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. It's been the end of a long day, and I'm just not doing that. weld of the day, it sucks. Alright, try that. See what it does. Alright, here we go. Finally. Alright, so that was the last weld of the day. I'm tired. So, not super pretty. See if I can get it to focus here. Come on, camera. Not my best, not my worst. Right up here, basically, I should have sharpened my tungsten before I started, but I didn't because I'm at the end of the day and I was being lazy. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna pack up and get the hell out of here. I just ate a granola bar. I got that crap stuck in my throat now.